Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will cover how to insert smart art, customize smart art for a web, covering text in smart art, import video, visualization and description. Let's inserting smart art. Go to insert page. In smart art, choose from category. List. Okay. Text pane. Select Ctrl C, Ctrl V, we will delete. Use the text pen for easier text entering and organization. Customizing smart art. Click on Smart Art graphic to open the Smart Art design. Change color. Smart Art design. You change shapes also. And enter picture. कंट्रोल चेक किया मैंने, Ctrl चेक किया, Ctrl चेक, okay. To make your graphics stand out, stick to minimal colors and clear text. Converting text to smart art. Select the list for convert smart art. Home tab convert to smart art. puts your content perfect for turning dull text into engaging visual. Advanced tips for pro design: resizing and shaping. Hold shift while resizing and consistent properly. Alignment tricks. Use align tools to ensure perfect position. Interactive dashboards. Combine smart art with shapes, buttons, and hyperlink for powerful Excel dashboard. Conclusion: Smart Art is a game changer for making your Excel data for visual and engaging. Whether you are building reports, dashboards, or presentations, mastering Smart Art will boost your skills instantly. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Don't forget to download my book. Thank you.